Chrousso Beach is one of the most beautiful and most visited bays on the Kassandra Peninsula. Clean sand, calm sea, picturesquare views are the main reasons for its popularity. Chrousso Bay is famous for its crystal-clear sea, surrounded by pine forests. The entrance to the sea is gentle and ideal for children. The beach stretches for 1.5 kilometers and is covered with light sand. Chrousso has several famous beach bars with refreshing drinks and snacks. There are sun loungers, umbrellas, a water sports center, restrooms, volleyball court, showers, and changing facilities. Ample parking is available nearby. There is also plenty of space for those who want to spread out on the sand with their own towel. The south side of the bay is better protected from the waves, so there are more holidaymakers in season. There is also a small port, from which day cruises to Sithonia and Mount Athos depart.